Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss our third chapter, The Gift of the Magi. The Gift of the Magi is a very famous short story which is written by an American writer O. Henry. So, students, this is a story of a young couple who make sacrifice in order to buy each other Christmas gift. ये जो हमारी कहानी है ये यंग कपल की कहानी है जो क्रिसमस गिफ्ट खरीदने के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं. अब क्या सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं, कैसे सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं, विल कम टू नो फ्रॉम द स्टोरी. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द स्टोरी. First of all, we'll talk about characters. So we have two main characters in the story. The first one is Della and second one is Jim. Della and Jim. So Della and Jim both belong to a poor family. Della had collected $1.87 and she had collected that money through bargaining. Now, bargaining with whom? Whom she forced? So, bargaining with the grocer and the vegetable man and the butcher. एक्चुअली शी डिडंट वांट टू स्पेंड द मनी. वो एक भी रुपया एक्स्ट्रा स्पेंड नहीं करती थी, खर्च नहीं करती थी. सो इन दिस वे शी हैड सेव्ड $1.87. ऑन क्रिसमस इवनिंग डेला वांटेड टू गिव प्रेजेंट टू हर लविंग हस्बैंड, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली व्हेन शी काउंटेड द मनी शी स्टार्ट क्राइंग because Della had only $1.87 and it wasn't enough to buy a gift for her husband. ये अमाउंट जो था वो गिफ्ट खरीदने के लिए सफिशिएंट नहीं था, काफ़ी नहीं था. सो व्हाट शी डिड, शी वॉज वेरी डिप्रेस्ड, शी वॉज वेरी सैड. She was standing by the window and she saw that a grey cat was walking in a grey backyard. Actually, everything was looking grey in color because she was very sad. She was feeling very sad and she wasn't able to understand that what to do. Actually, she wanted to buy something fine and rare gift, but as she wasn't having much amount, so she wasn't able to buy that special gift. Now, I would like to tell you that both of them have two precious things. उन दोनों के पास दो precious चीज़ें थी. अगर हम जिम की बात करें, if we talk about Jim, then Jim was having a gold watch that had been his father's and his grandfather's, जो से fathers और father की grandfathers से मिली थी. And Della was having beautiful long hair. And so they both of them were having two precious things and on which they took a mighty pride. उन्हें बहुत गर्व था उन दोनों चीज़ों पर. उन्हें इतना गर्व था कि डेला अक्सर सोचा करती थी कि अगर मेरे घर के सामने क्वीन ऑफ शीबा होती तो मैं अपने लॉन्ग हेयर को उसे दिखाती और वो जेलस फील करती. सिमिलरली जो जिम था वो अक्सर सोचा करता था कि अगर किंग सोलोमन होता तो वो भी मेरी गोल्ड वॉच को देखकर जेलस फील करता कि मेरे पास इतनी प्रेशियस वॉच क्यों नहीं है. तो इस तरह से उन दोनों को अपनी उन प्रेशियस चीज़ों पर बहुत ज़्यादा गर्व था. चलिए वापस वहीं आ जाते हैं. सो डेला वॉज फीलिंग वेरी सैड एंड देन सडनली एन आइडिया स्टक इन हर माइंड. उसके माइंड में एक आइडिया आता है एंड व्हाट शी डिड, शी वोर हर ओल्ड ब्राउन जैकेट एंड ब्राउन हैट एंड वेंट आउट ऑफ द हाउस. वो घर से बाहर निकल जाती है एंड व्हाट शी सॉ that there was a shop and the name of the shop was Madam Safroni. What she read, Madam Safroni hair goods of all kinds. इस तरह से she read the title, उसने वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ टाइटल पढ़ा and what she thought that she will sell her hair. वो अपने बालों को बेच देगी in order to purchase a precious gift for her husband. So she went there and she said that, will you buy my hair? Then Madam Safroni replied, I buy hair. Take your hat off and let's have a sight at the look of it. कि आप मुझे अपने बाल दिखाइए, अपने हेयर दिखाइए, मैं हेयर को परचेज करती हूँ. Now Della's hair was like a waterfall of brown water. As I told you before, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि she was having long as well as beautiful hair. So Madam Safroni was surprised when she saw her hair and she said, I'll give you $20. And she accepted the offer and then she started searching gift for her husband. वो गिफ्ट ढूंढना शुरू करती है. एट लास्ट शी परचेस्ड अ प्लैटिनम चेन फॉर जिम्स गोल्ड वॉच and it cost her $20. But now, without hair, she was looking like a schoolboy. And she looked at her reflection in the mirror. And she was thinking that whether Jim would like me or not. कि क्या जिम मुझे इस तरह से एक्सेप्ट करेगा. शी वॉज इन डायलेमा. दुविधा में पड़ जाती है कि वेदर ही इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट मी और नॉट. So she was waiting for Jim in the evening and silently she was praying. What she was praying? Make him think I am still pretty. Please God, make him think I am still pretty. उसे अब भी मैं अच्छी लगूँ. तो इस तरह से she was silently praying. Okay, Jim came in and his eyes were fixed on Della. When Jim came in and Della opened the door and when he saw Della, he was totally surprised. Della wasn't able to understand his expressions. She started crying. Della को समझ ही नहीं आया such kind of expression he was giving, that Della wasn't able to understand that what kind of expression he was giving at that time. उसे समझ नहीं आया कि किस तरह की expression जो जिम था वो दे रहा था. Still, she explained to him that she sold her hair in order to buy a Christmas present for him and she wished him Merry Christmas. Jim was totally surprised. Now, Jim was also having a packet, but he threw it on the table. When he saw Della without hair, then at the same time he was also having a present for Della, but he threw it on the table. Now, Della was looking at the packet, and when he threw that packet on the table, what she saw, there was a set of combs. So Jim had brought a set of comb for Della's beautiful hair. Now they were looking at each other. एक दूसरे की तरफ देखते हैं and then they hugged each other. And now, in this way, they proved their love for each other. But the main difference was that the chain was useless for Jim and combs were useless for Della. Jim smiled and Della also gave beautiful smile. He said that he sold that golden watch to purchase a set of combs for her. वो से कहता है कि मैंने वो गोल्ड की जो वॉच है वो बेच दी और मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये कॉम लेकर आया. इस तरह से they proved their love for each other and this was our story. So at last I would like to tell you the word Magi. So Magi here means wise man. As you can see, the explanation has been given here that wonderfully wise man who brought gifts to the babe in the manger and they invited the art of giving Christmas present. In short, if I explain it, then Magi were three wise men who brought gift for the Jesus, जो Jesus Christ के लिए gifts लेकर आए थे. So this was the explanation of our story. I hope you people will like it. If you have any doubt, you can call me and you can ask me. Thank you and have a nice day.